Welcome friends, this is Atanu Chaudhary of SureSolve. Continuing from the first part, in the second part of the video, we'll solve the last 5 questions of SSC CGL Solutions 35 on Algebra 10 from SureSolve.com. Let's solve the first problem of this subset of 5 questions. Question 6 is, if a square plus b square whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube whole square, then b by a plus a by b will be equal to option A 2 by 3, option B minus 1 by 3, option C minus 2 by 3, and option D 1 by 3. Combining the two terms of the direct expression, we find that we have to evaluate basically a square plus b square by ab. When we examine the expansions of the given expressions, you can see that a to the power 6 and b to the power 6 appear on both sides of the equation and cancel each other. From the rest of the terms, we should be able to evaluate the direct expression. Expanding the two sides of the given equation, a to the power 6 plus b to the power 6 plus 3a square b square multiplied by a square plus b square equal to a to the power 6 plus b to the power 6 plus 2a cube b cube. Or 3 times a square plus b square equal to 2ab. So direct expression, a square plus b square divided by ab equal to 2 by 3. Answer, option A, 2 by 3. With a bit of confidence, this problem can easily be solved in mind. Let's solve the next problem. Question 7 is, x plus 1 by x multiplied by x minus 1 by x multiplied by x square plus 1 by x square minus 1 multiplied by x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 is equal to option A, x to the power 6 plus 1 by x to the power 6, option B, x to the power 6 minus 1 by x to the power 6, option C, x to the power 8 plus 1 by x to the power 8, and option D, x to the power 8 minus 1 by x to the power 8. Collect the like factors together. Pair up the first with the third to form x cube plus 1 by x cube, and second with the fourth to form x cube minus 1 by x cube. Product of these two will be x to the power 6 minus 1 by x to the power 6. Answer, option B, x to the power 6 minus 1 by x to the power 6. Solve in mind just in one step by identifying the like factors. Let's solve the 8th problem. Question 8 is, if x plus y equal to a and xy equal to b square, then the value of x cube minus x square y minus xy square plus y cube in terms of a and b is option A cube minus 4b square a, option B, a cube plus 3b square, option C, a square plus 4b square multiplied by a, and option D, a cube minus 3b square. The 4 terms of the direct expression are similar in form to the 4 terms of the expansion of x plus y whole cube equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy multiplied by x plus y. And direct expression in compact form is x cube plus y cube minus xy multiplied by x plus y. If you subtract 4xy multiplied by x plus y from x plus y whole cube, you get the direct expression. That is the key pattern identification in this problem. So direct expression value is x plus y whole cube minus 4xy multiplied by x plus y equal to a cube minus 4b square a. Answer, option A cube minus 4b square a. Let's solve the next question. Question 9 is, if x equal to 99999, the value of 4x cube minus x divided by 2x plus 1 multiplied by 6x minus 3 is option A 11111, option B 66666, option C 33333, and option D 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Here, especially when the given variable value is large, we must take the golden strategic step of algebraic expression simplification of the target expression as far as possible. Taking x common in the numerator and 3 common from the second factor of the denominator, we have target expression as x multiplied by 4x squared minus 1 divided by 3 multiplied by 2x plus 1 multiplied by 2x minus 1 equal to x multiplied by 4x squared minus 1 divided by 3 multiplied by 4x squared minus 1 equal to x by 3 equal to 33333. Answer is option C, 33333. Easily solved in mind with the right approach. Last question now. Question 10 is, the length of the intercept of the graph of the equation 9x minus 12y equal to 108 between x and y axis is option A 12 units, option B 18 units, option C 9 units, and option D 15 units. When you draw the straight line 9x minus 12y equal to 108 on xy coordinate axis, it will intersect x-axis when y equal to 0 and y-axis when x equal to 0. Put y equal to 0 in the equation to get x-axis intercept by the line as 12 units. Again, put x equal to 0 in the equation to get y-axis intercept by the line as minus 9 units. That is, the line cuts y-axis 9 units below the x-axis in the negative y zone, but its length is just 9 units. These two line sections of lengths 12 units and 9 units will then form the two mutually perpendicular sides of a right angle triangle. The right angle will be formed at the origin, and the intercept of the line between x-axis and y-axis will be the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. By Pythagoras theorem then, the length of this intercept will be square root of the sum of squares of the perpendicular sides. That is, square root of 9 square plus 12 square equal to square root of 2 to 5 equal to 15. Answer option D, 15 units. With visualization, this problem can be solved in mind without drawing the graph. But for better understanding, let's show you the graph drawn on xy coordinate axis. The line cuts x-axis at A and y-axis at B. OA is 12 units and OB is 9 units. Length of the intercept AB is AB equal to square root of 9 square plus 12 square equal to square root of 2 to 5 equal to 15. Answer option D, 15 units. If you want to read the detailed solutions, refer to the corresponding article in our website suresolve.com. Link is in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.